Righto, morning year 11. So what we're going to do today is we're going to have a look at offset surveys. So we're going to use them to find irregularly shaped blocks, mainly the perimeter in the area. And we're going to do that by making them into little triangles. Or if they're not nice, we can actually make them into trapeziums. Which is a cool way of doing stuff. It solves a whole bunch of problems which happen because life isn't nice and easy. So this is what a field diagram looks like. These values here are our distance apart. So 0 to 75, and when we go out from that 75 mark, we go out 28 meters to B. We go up 110 from A, and that's where we have our offset for 65. We go at 65 for C, and then we continue up until we're 163 from A. Here's my A, that's how far away we are to get to D. Now that sounds a little bit awkward, but it makes a whole lot of sense when we have a look at the next one. Here's our transverse, that's our main level. Here's my A that we were talking about before, here's my D. And we see that we go up 75 to get to an offset of 28 to B. That's our little bit that was hanging off the side. And then we've got another 35, we go up, and then we go across to C, then up the last bit to D. Now these are really cool insofar as they're very easy to work with. We talked about the offsets. The transverse is just that straight line right up the middle. I think we already talked about this one a fair bit last time, so I'll make it momentarily really quick. Up our 75, out 28. Up 110, so 75 plus 35 makes 110, out 65. And that last 53 to get us to the end. Sample questions. Oh, I love questions. So, what is the approximate length of AB? We want to know how far from there to there. Well, it's funny you should say that. Oh, look at that. I've already done that. But let's do a pretty picture anyway. We went up 75, right angle, and across 30. So we are using Pythag. C squared equals A squared plus B squared. And 75 squared, 30 squared, blah, 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 blah. AB equals 81. Oh, I feel like I've done a lot of work there. Right. Find the area of ABCD. So we want to take this diagram here and we're going to break it up into two parts. I'm going to call those parts triangle 1. Actually, rather than using the word triangle, we'll call them area 1 and area 2. I could do 4 areas, but because they're really big triangles, you know what? I'm just going to wing it. That's a bat pun. Add them all together and that gives us how far we're going to go. We're going to go 30, 24, 22. And here we go. Bang. 76. We went out 32. So let's draw our little picture. So it was 76, whoops, 67. Let's try that again. 76, we went out 32, and there's my 32 just there, and that meets at a right angle. So my area is base times height times a half. As usual, we get our answer here. Do the same on the other side. So this one only goes out 26, but it goes the full 76 up and downy. Take our two values, 76, 26, pop them in our calculator, out comes the answer. We've got our two sides, so what do we do once we've got our two sides? Well, we add the two triangles together. We take this bit here, add it to this bit here, and we had 12, 16, and 9, 88. Add them together, and Bob's your uncle or your auntie, and out it comes. Nothing terribly amazing today, so all the best. Next lesson, we're going to be doing a prac, which means we're going to be getting out and making these offset surveys. Have a good one.